This is the chi-square test method of hypothesis testing. It question comes on this one is for 5 marks. The question is like that. The table below gives the number of books issued from a certain library on the various day of a week. Test at 5% LOS means level of significance whether issuing book is a day dependent. Okay, such type of question is there on the chi-square test. In example, it is given there. Days is given, number of books issued is given. Days are given as a Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. How many days are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number of books issued is given on Monday 120 book, on Wednesday 130, Thursday 110, Friday 113, Saturday 135 and Sunday 110. Now this one we have to make OI minus EI square. OI minus EI square. Okay. Now what is OI? OI is a observed value. EI is a expected values. So how we will get this one are the OI values. Okay. These are the observed values. These are the OI means observed value. But what about the EI? How we will get? So for EI we have to calculate by using this one. This is the mean of observed value. Okay. So what are the observed value? 120, 130. We have to add all the observed values. And how many days are there? 6. So if we add it, we got this one as a 720 divided by 6. So equal to 120. So EI equal to 120. Now hypothesis is a what we have to do. We have to set certain hypothesis. What is the hypothesis? It is a method of testing hypothesis, chi-square test. Okay. So hypothesis is a claim to be tested. 5% LOS is given in this example. So it is a level of significance. Means 5% failure in decision. Means librarian is confused whether the book issuing is a day dependent or not day dependent. Okay. So we will get the EI. Now for this we have to make in the exam. This is given and this we have to make. So what is this OI minus EI square. So 120 minus 120. EI is 120. So 120 minus 120. Now what is here I write EI equal to 120. Okay. This we calculated here. So 120 minus 120 means 0. 0 square is 0. Then 110. 130 minus like this 130 minus 120 square, so it is equal to 10 square, that means 100. In this way you have to make all the calculation. So for this value we got OI minus EI square equal to 100. Then for this one 125, 225 and 100. Okay, do the calculation like this. OI minus EI. OI is this 120 minus 120 square, so 0. 130 minus 120 square, that is 10 square means 100. Okay. So in this way we have to make this table. Now here in this example we have to set the hypothesis, that is called as a null hypothesis. So that we represent by the H0 means H0, that is equal to issue of book is a day dependent. We will consider that the issue of book is a day dependent, that is our hypothesis. So now there is one formula for chi-square test. Chi-square equal to summation OI minus EI square. दिस समेशन, ये समेशन जो है इसके लिए ऊपर के वैल्यू के लिए, नीचे के लिए नहीं है. Summation OI minus E. Okay. Summation means we have to take the addition of this all plus 100 plus 100 plus 25 plus 225 plus T and EI equal to 120. If we use the calci, then we got chi-square as a 4.5883. Now in this example, table value for the chi-square at the 0.5 LOS is given, that is equal to 11.07. It is given in the example. Example में ये देकर रहता है. This is the given value. If our table value, this is the table value, means given value is greater than the calculated value, then we have to accept the null hypothesis. Okay. So our calculated value is 4.5883 and given value means table value is given as a 11.07. ये एग्जाम में भी एग्जाम्पल में दे के रहती. Okay, so we have to accept it. Therefore we accept H0 since our calculated value is less than this one and this table value is greater than this one. So yes, issue of book is a day dependent. This is the chi-square test.